Hi, everybody. It's Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So this week, I want to talk to you a little bit about law firm marketing. And I know this is a popular topic, but there are some pretty key strategies that I think are out there in play, but a lot of us are not taking advantage of them. So I wanted to talk about the mindset around marketing and give you some tools that I think you can use in this. So the first thing I want you all to be mindful of is that you have to leave the special snowflake syndrome. Right? You have to get out of this idea that there's this thing out there called business and there's this separate thing out there called law firms, and nary the two shall meet. They really are one and the same. So the fact that we are a highly regulated profession, the fact that we have all of these additional rules, the rules of professional conduct that govern how we are allowed to do things, does not mean that we are not still in a business and doing so for the purpose of making money and satisfying the needs of the owner. That's what a business is. So you have to keep in mind when you are approaching marketing that you are in a business, and that in order for people to know about your business, you have to market your business. It is not optional. It's not something you can delegate out and just forget about it. You can create a lot of referrals from being known by people, but getting known by people comes through the way of marketing. So strategy number 2 is that you should prepare to market. So what do I mean by that, right? I'm talking to a population of lawyers, so when I say prepare, let's be clear, I do not mean over prepare. I don't mean you have to pull out a spreadsheet or you have to, get your diagrams out. You don't have to start mapping things out on a white paper. This is not supposed to be a major endeavor, but you do have to prepare a little bit. And that means for most of us, reaching out to read your RPCs, your rules of professional conduct. Know what they are. Know what you're allowed to do in Texas versus Florida versus New Jersey, especially when you're talking about online marketing, because online marketing companies are all over the place, but a lot on the West Coast. So what you can do in California may not be what you're allowed to do in Florida or Texas or Georgia or Arkansas. And that stops a lot of us from marketing altogether. You shouldn't stop yourself. You really should just know what the rules are. And then third and final, the last rule that you really have to keep in mind is that you have to approach marketing with the right frame of mind. So what does that mean? Well, the first thing is that you have to keep in mind that there is some degree of education that we've all gotten as lawyers, that there is professionalism, and then there are those people that are not really professional, so they market themselves, okay? And that's not true anymore. Once upon a time, the mediocre lawyer who really didn't care about their clients and couldn't get clients on their own had to market, okay? Now we have a glutted marketplace. There are thousands of messages out there about the different types of lawyers, and the only way that you are going to stand out from the crowd is letting people know who you are, what you stand for, and what you don't stand for, and who you want to help. So that's all that marketing is in a nutshell. In order to get more concrete advice about how to market your law firm, I invite you to reach out and have a call with me, the Law Firm Mentor. I'm happy to go into what strategies may be best for you and your law firm, and also to give you some hard advice on what vendors you should be considering to work with. Again, I'm Allison Williams, your Law Firm Mentor. Have a great day.